name is Goldbags. In this video I would like to compare the two most popular wallets on chains, which is the Gucci Dionysus GG Supreme wallet on chain, and also the lovely YSL Monogram envelope wallet on chain. These two are my favorite bags, and they are the two most popular wallet on chains in the market. So I would like to just do a little review and comparison between these two bags. So if you would like to treat yourself a new wallet on chain, or if you want to ask your boyfriend or husband to buy you a wallet and chain for a Christmas gift, you know which one would be best for you. So let's just start with I'm gonna start with the Saint Laurent wallet and chain. So this bag is just so luxurious, it's so lovely. I just love this, like the leather, the texture on here is just so nice, and I love the gold hardware. So this wallet and chain comes with silver hardware as well, but I personally prefer to get it in gold because I think the gold and black, they're just like so lovely. And it's just like the stitching, it's just like such a lovely little bag. But this bag is more kind of like an evening bag, as you can see, especially with the gold wear. Like if you buy the silver one, it's probably more like casual and daytime bag, but I think, me personally, I would prefer to use this as an evening bag. So this comes in two different sizes. I got the size small one, and which is, this bag is 19 centimeter, 7.5 inches width, and I prefer this size because I personally want to use it just to go out on a dinner or something, and I'm not gonna carry a very big bag. You can, you know, the strap is adjustable, so you can easily remove it from here, and you can just treat this bag as a clutch, and I think it's just perfect. It has 6 card holders inside, which is more than enough. I'm not gonna carry more than 4 cards with me. It has I've already opened it, so it has basically a pocket as well, a zip pocket in there. So still, I mean, for this bag is tiny, but you can fit a lot of things in this bag. So I can try now. Nothing is in this bag at the moment. I can try my phone. So I have an iPhone 12 Pro, which is kind of like quite a big phone, so I can put the phone in. Obviously I can put my car keys, which is the bulkiest thing that I always carry is my car keys, because I have my car key plus my house keys attached together, and it's quite a bulky thing. So I'm gonna put it in the zip pocket, and I'm gonna close it. This is honestly, this car key and my house keys are the most bulkiest thing that I carry with myself. So it easily closes up, still looks like fine. I'm gonna what's going on? Probably probably, you know what, it's actually not closing right now. So it closes up, actually. You need a little bit like to push, a little bit, put some effort. Finally closed, and well, it shows that I can carry a bulky set of keys and my car keys and my phone and 6 cards and one more probably a lipstick or lip liner or something with myself. So it's good, like it's more than enough. Then if I'm going out for a dinner or like a girls' night or something, I'm not gonna carry anything more than that. In terms of the length of the strap, obviously is adjustable, you can remove it, and I'm quite short, I'm only 5'5", and as you can see, it's in a perfect sizing. It just comes to my hip here. I can wear it also like this, and still is nice. And I'm not wearing any shoes, and as I said, I'm 5'5", I'm not very tall, so I think this is like perfect for me. And let's just move to the Gucci Dionysus now. So some people call it a Dionysus, which is the Greek pronunciation of Dionysus or Dionysus, whatever. So it's Gucci GG Supreme Dionysus, And this is my lovely bag. I just love, I just adore this bag so much. This is my everyday bag. I wear it all the time. It's so versatile, as you can see, and I just love this like canvas texture on here. It's just so lovely. I love this texture, and I love the silver hardware as well, because it makes it more versatile, and you can use it daytime. It's more casual, as you can see. And this bag is a lot bigger than the YSL bag, so it's more practical. In terms of practicality, if I want to pick just one bag, I would definitely pick the Gucci bag, because as you can compare these two together, this one is a lot bigger. They're both wallet and chains, but the Gucci one is a lot bigger than YSL. And as you can see, like YSL one is not only smaller, also it's less in practice. It's basically, it's a little bit in terms of practicality, I personally prefer just to use it in evening. But with this one, as you can see, you can wear it anywhere, anytime, and it's a lot bigger. So I believe this is 22 centimeter. So if I want to open this, here it has 16 card holders. This is my everyday bag. I use it like literally all the time. It's been like a couple of years I had it, and still looks brand new, and I love it. So it has 16 card holders, which I doubt anyone has 16 cards to carry, and it has a lovely big zip pocket. So easily I can carry my car keys, my house keys, my lovely Dior lip maximizer, the cards, lipstick, or like even a little bit of, if you have a mini little perfume, you can carry a lot more items in this bag. I just love this bag so much. So I love it so much. So I really think if I want to pick just one bag, just mainly if I want to use it all the time, if I'm after a lovely, like just like a luxury wallet on chain, I will go with the Gucci GG Supreme Dionysus wallet on chain. I can say is the best. I've seen reviews on Chanel ones, on Louis Vuitton wallet on chains, even the YSL wallet on chains. Like YSL one, it's so lovely and looks so luxury and cute, but if you were just going to pick one, I would go with the Gucci one, as I said, because it's more practical. And the strap is, again, it's adjustable, so you can remove the strap. In terms of length, is the same as the YSL one. It's just like, it's like this. You can wear it whichever you want, just as a clutch. You can wear it just like this. And I love this cute little bag. Just can't get enough of this little bag. And in terms of the boxes as well, I will show you how they come in the boxes. So basically the Gucci box obviously is a lot bigger, so it comes it's so like so the Gucci is a lot bigger, has a lot bigger box than the YSL one. The YSL one comes in a cute tiny little black box. So they both have a dust bag. I personally prefer the dust bag for the Gucci one, because it's just like it's a silk little dust bag. It's really feels so nice and lovely. And the YSL one as well comes with a tiny little black fabric dust bag. And in terms of pricing, they are both kind of like similar. I bought the YSL one directly from YSL website, which was for £880. The Gucci one, I believe, was around 900 as well. Like, I think yeah, I think it's similar, like 880, 900. So in terms of price wise, these two WOCS are similar pricing, and they're both obviously very popular, and they both feel so luxurious and very pretty. But for the final comparison, I would, as I showed you, I would pick the Gucci one. Gucci wins over YSL in terms of practicality, but YSL one It's just so beautiful. Still, I have all my phone and my car keys and everything in there. Doesn't look bulky, doesn't look bad. I love this little bag as well. So thanks guys for watching. I hope this video was good and you've probably made your mind which wallet and chain you're gonna buy next.